Many of you have been asking about how to set up a Facebook party, so I'm going to just run through it real quick and show you how to set it up. Here is one that I already have set up, just so you can kind of see what it looks like so far. This is one that I'll be doing next week, so it's in the early stages of being set up and early stages of posting and all that. So I'm going to go back to my regular Facebook page, and then all you have to do is click on Events, and then click on Create. So you're creating a new event. I'm going to use the name Kate. We'll pretend Kate is my hostess. So I will do Kate's 31 Gifts Facebook Party. And you can come up with something more creative than that if you want. I'll leave the details blank for now. Where in here I always put my website so that they know where to go to order, just in case they're looking ahead of time. Then when, we'll say that my party is, we'll just go with today for now. Time, we'll do 7 p.m. I found that the best time for Facebook parties tends to be 7:45 or 8:45 p.m. or 8 p.m. sorry, because people have their kids in bed by that point and they can sit down and actually pay attention and follow along and participate. You want to make sure that the privacy is set to guests and friends, not public. If it's public, that means every post that you do is going to show up in your newsfeed and anybody who's invited's newsfeed and your friends and all that. So that is actually against our 31 policy. So make sure that it's set as guests and friends. That means that the friends and anybody who your hostess invites is still able to invite people to the party. So then click Create. It will create a new event for you, and you'll see that you can add your own banner, and then you're going to want to add details as well. So I'm going to give you an example of what to put there in a minute. But for the event photo, I usually just upload a photo that I have saved on my desktop, and I usually keep monthly folders. So I have a folder with everything October, everything September. So I'll just choose this one for now to use as my banner. Save that. So then it shows the different styles for October. Then you can see it's today at 7 p.m. It shows your web address. And then here's where you can invite guests. So what I do at this point is I go back into Edit. And this is where I'm going to add my description. Now what I normally do is I will go to another event and I'll copy exactly what I did for the past event so that I'm not reinventing the wheel every time. So I copy and paste, and then I just change the name. So like my last party was Karen, and I change that to Kate. Change this to Kate. And then normally what I do underneath that is I also include the direct shopping link for Kate's party. So that's where I would insert that right here in case anybody can't attend that night or they already know what they want and they want to shop early. So then it's there for them. At this point, I go ahead and I add the hostess, and I'm actually using my little sister just so I can show you what to do. So you add the name of the hostess. So that will enable her to also come into the event, add her friends, change anything that she wants to change maybe up here. See, that's tagging someone I don't want it to tag. So go ahead then and click Save. It will show you over here one invited. That should be your hostess. Once she joins the event, then she can go ahead and add her friends. And what I normally do after I create this is I send her a message saying, hey, I created the event. Once you join it, you can go ahead and add your friends. Let me know if you have any questions. At this point, I usually go through and I post. You can see in the event that I've already created here, I post, check out our awesome October special, and I'll post the flyer. If Home Office has already uploaded videos for us, I'll go ahead and upload the video so that they can watch the video of the different products. And then leading up to the event, I will post at least once a day, whether it's a new product or just something that I want them to check out and see and keep them interested. Sometimes I'll do a little contest. I'll give them a prize like a key fob or a nail file. For anyone that RSVPs, I'll draw a name from them, and I will share that. I can do that here. I'll show you. So I type something like that, and then I will go ahead and add, now I have to find the picture. I will go ahead and add a picture that I have, this one right here. And it just reminds them to RSVP and makes sure that they're actually paying attention to the event. Sometimes I know we get so many event invites on Facebook that we don't always see them. So this is also a place where if somebody hasn't RSVP'd, I can have the hostess come in and start tagging friends in this comment, and then you'll usually see the number of RSVPs go up. So hopefully that is helpful for you guys. Please let me know if you have any other questions about creating a Facebook party.